Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to show or hide recently open item on your Windows 11 start menu, on your file explorer or in your jump list. Okay, so as you can see guys, in my file explorer there is showing recently open files. Same thing if you are seeing this kind of files on your start menu, jump list as well as. Now if you want to hide or if you want to disable it, you can try this easy and simple method. So for this guys, first you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard like this. This is a shortcut key to open the Windows settings. In the Windows settings, go to personalization and scroll down, open the start option like this. Okay, and here you can get the option show recently open item in start, jump list and file explorer. If you don't want to see this, just you need to disable this option from here. That's it. Okay, so now in future you don't able to see any recently open items on your start menu, file explorer and jump list. Okay, so that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.